Yeah, so it's a great question because we are seeing, and we predict this for many years, a huge increase in the number of non-bank lenders in South Africa. And again, those range from asset managers right to private credit funds. And especially in the last while when interest rates have been a little bit higher, now they're in the process of dropping, huge emergence of private credit funds entering the market. I mean, we're following international trends. I read an interesting article last week which said less than 20% of all funding to businesses and consumers come from the banks, which means 80% come from non-bank lenders, which are asset managers and private credit funds. And that's it's happening in South Africa. The South African banking landscape is particularly strong, but we've definitely seen a huge emergence of non-bank lenders. That is positive for the consumer and businesses requiring funding, but it comes with risks. And those risks are how credible are those non-bank lenders that have come into the market? And my advice to a lot of people is the lenders do a lot of work in understanding the borrowers, but the borrowers need to do as much work as understanding the lenders. It's really easy it's not easy, it's becoming easier to borrow money, and especially that there are large pools of capital, in the market willing to lend to, or companies willing to lend to SMEs and individuals. But not all of these new bank lenders have got experience in lending. And advancing funds is just one component. It's also collecting funds, and then should your clients run into difficulty, how does the lender react to a difficult situation? How well capitalized is that lender? So we've seen many situations, especially recently, of clients coming to us because we've been around 15 years saying, please, can you refinance us because it's not working with certain non-bank lenders. So I would really encourage a lot of borrowers to ask many questions. How long have these non-bank lenders been around for? How have they dealt with situations whereby things haven't gone according to plan? We know in South Africa at the moment, interest rates are still high, inflation's high, albeit coming down. The market is very tight and not everything goes according to plan. So the borrowers need to ask, serious questions of the lenders. How much capital do they have? What is their bad debt ratio, etc. Just to fully understand the lender, that should things not go according to plan, that they're still safe.